Hey, what's up everybody? Again, it's me, Joffrey. Welcome back guys to my channel. I hope you all stay safe, fit and healthy. So today's video guys, I will show you the full review of the new Huawei Nova 7 5G. So we'll talk about the design, the price, the camera, the 5G modem which is built in the processor, and of course the performance of this smartphone. But before that guys, if you are new here in my channel, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. So come on guys, let's start, let's jump into the video.
Double cup, big country, holy nuts. Out of my friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
So guys, let's start with the design of this new Huawei Nova 7 5G. First impression to this smartphone, this is quite looks similar design, especially at the back and the camera array to the flagship models of Huawei, which is the P40 Pro. But Nova 7 5G has flat screen and this phone is quite heavy because of the build quality. It used aluminum frame at the side, Gorilla Glass front and back with amazing color gradients. This color called as a space silver. To be honest guys, I really like the design of this phone, especially the texture of the color. I know if you will see this phone guys personally, I'm sure you will gonna like this as well. But one thing I noticed, since this is glass, this is a fingerprint magnet, so I suggest better always put a cover on it. For the color option, it has 5 different color gradients, which is the black, red, green, midsummer purple, and space silver. The Nova 7 5G has 6.53-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen with 86.3% screen-to-body ratio, with Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 and 403 pixel per inch density. The screen of this phone is super awesome, so bright. As you can see, the color is balanced and accurate. Thanks to the OLED display, you can really enjoy watching your favorite movies here in Netflix or playing your favorite online games with high graphics as well. At the right side of the phone, here are the power button and the volume control. And at the bottom, here are the speaker grills, USB Type-C, SIM card tray and a microphone. This phone is support dual SIM card with a hybrid slot, so you have an options either 2 SIM card or 1 SIM and 1 memory card. And at the left side, nothing is here, and at the top, there is another 1 microphone and IR blaster that will work as a remote control in your TV, projector, or any appliances, so you can access it through the smart remote built-in apps in the Huawei phones. But unfortunately, this phone is not water resistant and there's no wireless charging as well. So now let's talk about the full performance of this new Huawei Nova 7 5G. In terms of specification, this phone is Android 10 out of the box and with their own user interface, which is EMUI 10.1. This phone is equipped with their own new system on chip, which is the Kirin 985 with built-in 5G modem, 7nm architecture with a clock speed of octa-core 2.8 GHz, combined with a high-speed 8-core GPU, which is the Mate G77 that we commonly saw with all the flagship smartphone in the market. Similar to the S20 series and P40 Pro, Nova 7 5G used the same GPU. But these phones are almost double the price of this Nova 7 5G. So with these specs, I believe this phone is really perfect for all the gamers out there with a very good price tag. Huawei Nova 7 5G has 8GB of RAM and 256GB internal storage and a massive battery of 4000 mAh capacity that supports Huawei Supercharge 40 watts that can charge your phone from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes only. So with this specification, chipset and GPU, let's check now the Antutu benchmark and let's see how many score it can give for single core and multi-core performance. So based on Antutu benchmark, this is the overall score of Huawei Nova 7 5G with 387,384 score. As we all know that higher score will give you better performance. So just give you a quick comparison, this is the Antutu benchmark score of Huawei P40 Pro, which is 497,287 score. So of course, P40 Pro is the winner here because it used Kirin 995G with 16-core GPU, Mali G77, and the price is almost double to the Nova 7 5G. With this Antutu benchmark score, now let's try to play the PUBG Mobile and NBA 2K20, and let's see if this phone can really handle this game without lags or latency, and let's check the graphics as well.
First point for the red team!
Reloading! Enemy down! Cover me! No mercy! Target down! Reloading!
Killing spree for the blue team!
Little bounce pass there. We call that the pocket pass, and he did it well. Here is Cook. Outside break. A three. That is good. D there, guys, was pretty much. That's no get a change here. They get a hand on it, and stolen by Cousins. Jumps up. That's big jack at the end of the break.
So in terms of camera specification, this phone is equipped with Quad AI rear camera, 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture for the main lens with face detection autofocus, and can shoot 4K videos up to 30 frames per second. And with electronic image stabilization for better video quality and signal image process. 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture for ultrawide lens, 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture for telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, with 5 times hybrid zoom and 20 times digital zoom capability. And it has 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens for taking stunning macro photos up to 4 cm. And in the front camera, it has 32 megapixel f2.2 aperture that can also record 4K video at 30 frames per second. And here are my sample videos and photos. So I'm going home now, guys. Check it out. So guys, this is the dual view display of the Huawei Nova 7 5G. And this is my good friend, Mr. Abdullah. What's up, what's up?
What's up?
All right.
Subscribe to Tech Job.
All right.
Best Huawei reviews.
So guys, this is my full review of this new Huawei Nova 7 5G. And really, based on my experience and hands-on of this amazing phone, I can really recommend it for you totally 100%. So guys, what is your opinion of this new Huawei Nova 7 5G? Just comment down below. And if you are new here in my channel, and if you want to see more tech news and reviews like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.